we're going to hunt for story ideas. That's called brainstorming. Here's a secret about authors. They don't wait for ideas to magically appear. They build them. We're going to start with a powerful question. What if? What if animals could talk? What if school was underground? What if your shadow moved on its own? On your paper, complete the what if sentence. Next, every good story needs a main character, someone who wants something really badly. So who is your story about? A kid? An animal? Or something magical? But wait, there's a twist. The character has a big goal, and then, bam, something goes wrong. That's the problem, and every great story needs one. It's called the story conflict. Now, let's talk about the setting. That's the place your story lives. Is your story at school? In a forest? Blasting through space? Or in a magical world? Where it happens matters, because setting brings your story to life. It's time to put it all together. Character plus setting plus problem equals a story idea. Here's an example. A shy kid at a new school finds a new friend and discovers a secret door. Now you've got the beginning of your story. Your story doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. The tries, the oops moments, and the big solution, those come later as your story develops. Stay tuned.